Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Petya's e-learning class of English class 4. Today we are going to do question answer and bookwork of chapter 2, The Visit to the Mansion. Now, section A. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Why did Joe toss up a snowball? Answer. Joe tossed up a snowball to attract Laurie's attention and make him look out of his window. Question number 2. Why did Laurie invite Joe to his house? Laurie was unwell and alone at home. He invited Joe to come to his house as he was lonely and bored and knew that he would feel better if he had someone to talk to. Question number 3. What gifts did Joe bring for Laurie? Which one did he like the most? Answer. Joe brought some Blackman Hunch and 3 tiny kittens for Laurie. He liked the kittens the most. Question number 4. How did Laurie know all the March sisters? Answer. Laurie could often hear the March sisters talking to each other. Sometimes he also saw them sitting around the table with their mother. That is how he knew all of them. Question number 5. Why did Laurie's grandfather not allow him to visit their neighbors? Answer. Mr. Lawrence thought that people who did not know Laurie would feel disturbed if Laurie visited them, so he did not allow Laurie to visit their neighbors. Question number 6. Why did Laurie leave Joe alone in the library? Did she mind? Why? Why not? Answer. Laurie went to meet the doctor who had come to check if he was recovering well. Joe did not mind. She was very happy to be surrounded by the innumerable books and was looking at the portraits with great curiosity and interest. Now, section B. Choose the correct answer to complete these sentences. Question number 1. Joe wanted to ask her mother. Answer. B. If she could visit Laurie. Question number 2. Laurie started cleaning and arranging things in his room because correct option is C. He wanted it to look good and ready for his guest, Joe. Question number 3. Joe felt sorry for Laurie because correct option is B. He was unwell and lonely while she had fun with her family. Question number 4. Joe started dancing when they reached the library because the correct answer is A. She was extremely happy to see the innumerable books, pictures, statues, tables, and the great fireplace there. These are the word meanings which we have already discussed in the chapter. Now what you have to do, you have to note down in your copy and learn it. These are the bookwork. What you have to do, You have to note it down in your notebook. Grammar and uses. Section A. Complete these sentences with suitable determiners. What do you mean by determiners? Words such as to, much, many, which we use to describe the noun, usually the quantity or a specific location, are called determiners. It can be many, much, some, any, no, few, less, a little, a lot of. These are determiners. So we can see in the fill in the blanks. First one, our garden looks untidy with so dash weeds. It can be many. Question number 2. My brother had dash trouble passing his driving test. He passed it the first time. The answer will be no. According to it, all of the fill in the blanks has been done. You have to write down in your notebook. Now section B. Look at the picture and read what the characters are saying. Write the missing word. First, who is he? I have not met him. Dash, he is my cousin Ratan. He is my cousin Ratan. Second, is this book dash? Yours. Yes, it is mine. Question number 3. Dash live here with our parents for 10 years. We lived. Question number 4. Reena gave us sweets. We thanked her. Question number 5. I am having so much fun. The next turn is yours, Pia. Words and in use. Section A refers to a dictionary and write the meaning of these phrases. 1. Call in, invite. 2. Call out, shout something out to draw someone's attention. 3. Look for, search for something. 4. Look up, try to find a particular information in a book or on the internet. 5. See out, go with someone to the door when they are leaving to say goodbye to them. 6. See off, go to a station or airport with someone to say goodbye to them. Section B. Match the two halves of these sentences. Choose the correct words from exercise A to complete them. First one, Nisha is going home. So first will be, the correct answer will be D. Can you see her out? Second, I do not know how to spell these words. It will be C. Shall I look it up in the dictionary? So in this, what we have to do, you have to match with the correct answers. You have to choose the answers from exercise A and write down in this blanks and match it with the correct answers. Homework for you. What you have to do first, you have to write all the question answer in your notebook and learn it. Second, you have to write all the word meanings and you have to learn it. And third, bookwork is given with solution you have to write down in your notebook. I hope you understood the question and answer. Thank you.